Are you tired of paying monthly subscriptions just to track your personal budget?
Yeah.
Or maybe you don't want your sensitive financial data stored on a third-party cloud. Welcome back. Today, we're taking a look at Grisbi, a 100% free, secure, and open-source personal finance manager that runs completely offline on your desktop. In this quick video, I will show you exactly where to safely download it and walk you step-by-step through the installation process. Let's dive right in. First, we need to grab the official installation file. Don't click on random ad-heavy download sites. Instead, head over to the verified Grisbi SourceForge project page. I have also dropped the direct link to the absolute latest version in the description box below. You can immediately download the current release executable, post-Grisbi via the Grisbi 64-bit stable setup download link. If you are using a Mac or Linux, you can find your respective .dmg or Flatpak configurations right on that same file hierarchy page. Click the download button and save the .exe installer file to your desktop or downloads folder. Once your download finishes, click the downloaded setup file. If a security warning pops up, simply click Run or Yes to proceed. Next, the installation wizard will appear. Your first step is to choose your preferred interface language. Click Next, read and accept the GNU General Public License terms, and choose your destination folder. Hit Next, click Install. It only takes a few seconds to finish the installation. Check the box to run Grisbi 64-bit and create a desktop shortcut, then click Finish. On your very first launch, the program will instantly greet you with an automatic account assistant wizard. This helper will guide you through setting up your post-Grisbi initial encrypted local file repository. You'll choose your primary local currency, like USD, Euros, or PHP, and create your first structural ledger. You can label it for checking accounts, savings, cash, or credit liabilities. Simply give your file a name and you are ready to start logbooking your transactions completely offline. And that is it. You are now fully set up with a powerful, secure desktop accounting suite without a single recurring fee. If you found this quick walkthrough helpful, please smash that like button, subscribe to the channel for more open source software guides. Thanks for watching.